Good evening, viewers. We're here at the Glenmarie Golf and Country Club this evening to take a look at the new Mazda MX-30. This is a unique electric crossover from Mazda, the first all-electric production car from the Hiroshima brand, and it's being previewed here in Malaysia just ahead of its official launch. Now, prices are not yet revealed, but a lot more other details have already been spoken about. So let's take a very quick tour of this car and tell you everything you need to know about Mazda's new compact crossover all-electric. Now, although this is an all-electric Mazda, the first of its kind for the brand, the design, however, is very familiar. You still get a relatively long bonnet, which unfortunately does not have any additional space in the front for things, and you still get these slim LED headlights, the LED indicators on the bottom, and this beautiful soul red crystal paint. Although, of course, for this car, it is dual tone, so actually everything from the A-pillar and above is actually painted in this nice grey color, whereas the roof itself is black. This is something of a visual trick to sort of make the car look a little bit lower, a little bit sleeker. And it must be said that it looks quite nice. Now at the rear, again, it also looks like a very typical Mazda in the sense that you have the Mazda signature LED tail light with full LED illumination, although you do get a very decent sort of boot space. Now the eagle-eyed among you may have noticed that this is not a four-door. Strictly per se. They want you to think of this as a coupe, but actually there are two rear suicide doors that are a little bit unique in their operation. So we'll go take a look at that in a second as we bring you through to the interior. Now inside the MX-30 you can see that this is very much a compact crossover in terms of its dimensions. There is actually space here for 4 adults relatively comfortably, although the rear seats are a little bit cramped, but access back there is fantastic thanks to the lack of a B-pillar and the rearward opening rear doors. Now when you look in the front here, this all looks very Mazda except for this new HVAC control screen, which looks very swish indeed. But needless to say, the interior of this car certainly feels every bit a premium Mazda. We certainly look forward to getting a little bit more details on that. The materials in here are also very nice. This is actually cork, which is cool. But a lot of these specs may be changed ahead of its official launch because, again, this is a very quick media preview and this is currently the only unit in Malaysia. So I have to be very careful not to break anything. Okay, now as you can see, it's gotten dark because as time goes by, the sun moves and that sort of thing. In any case, we have to talk about the powertrain. So the Mazda MX-30 all-electric crossover is powered by a 35.5 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, and it's paired to a 145 PS, 271 Newton-meter electric motor that powers the front wheels. Now, according to the official quoted range, this car can do about 224 kilometers, but you should be able to expect about 199-200 kilometers thereabouts. Now, in terms of charging, it does AC charging via a 6.6 kilowatt Type 2 port, whereas it can support DC fast charging of up to 50 kilowatts. Now, via DC fast charging, you can go from 20 to 80% in about 36 minutes, whereas with an AC charger, it'll do it in about 3 hours. Now, this does mean that the MX-30 is a car that you can use on a daily basis in the sense that you can go to and from work and run a few errands and so on without depleting the entire range, come home, plug it in, and it'll be full in the morning. Now, according to BERMAZ Auto, this is exactly what the MX-30 is designed to do for Malaysian buyers. It is not meant to be a primary car, it's meant to be an additional vehicle, something you can run about with on a day-to-day basis, whereas on the weekends you might have something with an internal combustion engine for greater range. Now, in terms of warranty, BERMAZ has assured that this car will come with a 5-year warranty as per every other Mazda, but they are saying something along the lines of perhaps some sort of battery swap option once the 5-year warranty runs out. They haven't quite finalized this particular package just yet, so we'll learn more details as and when the car goes for launch. And of course, there is the fact that when you're buying officially, you get all of the official support from the renowned BERMAZ Mazda service network. So you can rest assured that your electric vehicle should last about as long as you need it to. And now, via the magic of editing, I am going to turn night into day in 3, 2, 1. Now for the important bits. This is an officially imported model from BERMAZ Auto, which means it will be officially represented by Mazda Malaysia, which means you can buy this with a complete faith knowing that this car will come with a full manufacturer warranty. Now, in terms of the overall appeal of this car, you can definitely say that this will go up against other lifestyle EVs like the Mini E, for example, as well as other vehicles of that sort. But BERMAZ themselves says that this is not meant to be a toy. This is a car that you can use every day as an additional vehicle that will complement your lifestyle. If you are in it for the drive, this might be one of the best handling EVs out there, and we certainly look forward to bringing you more information as this car launches officially in due course. In any case, that's been our official, very quick preview of the new Mazda MX-30 all-electric crossover coupe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time we make a new upload. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and selamat berbuka.